Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use autosave on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have your sites where you have all of your sites. We have the setup, we have the home, we have the settings, we have this design site, and of course we have the dashboard where we are in the current moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use autosave on Wix. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do guys is go and so your site automatically saves regularly as you're working in the editor. It starts after the first manual save on your site. And how can you enable this first save? Well, to enable or disable autosave, you can press Control on your keyboard, of course. Press Control, then press Alt, and then press A, the letter A, on Windows. Or Command plus Option plus A on the keyboard on Mac devices. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.